This is the Mindanao Civic Center Hotel. This is their pool area. It's really nice, very nice pool. And what a lovely landscape they have here. Wow, Barbie. Do not open your eyes, Barb, when you're swimming, Barb.